my mama kwa ba de ba je Ghana TV eso e bredru sasam hodwa ya boaboa no ye de ebe som kase bokwan so we ye kase botil na je Ghana TV live wa YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Send any day di kan ya wo hwe me abomodin se obe subscribe afen so fa onsa team don so se be ade ade beto obia onsa ebetimi aka like na share ma afofron so entimi enhwe bi edi ameje so ye da chehema ajowa nati ebusu ye ntwa ye hosema ye ba ye beto so
Tribulus terrestrix, Kayani, Panex Caltrop, Jingo Bilaba. Sawa di no ya mabobo swina. Enu ne dia shetina 230 heba. Wo ya bema na wonu mu a, emma wo hode sunkuma wo gira wo na so timi badwuma. Emma energy, stamina, and vitality. Emfa wo ne adwuma wo ye. Enu ane se obenum bi. Wo badwuma sa wo mreda. Tina 230 heba. Eye ye nkonkwa. Power to the people. Me try 230. So I hear. What feeling? Adam, me back. Kinaata 230 Herbal.
Yeah!
Kinaata 230 Herbal is a full supplement for rejuvenation and vitality. And no sa ebra ofa sa edrowi. Oba wafa yefunu. Ne oma ne banofo. Ene akola ondi emfie duoche.
Ebusiafo ya mama kwa baby me de ba je Ghana TV so we ye kase botil afeye free and samono ase Honorable Kennedy Agyapong kwa Agyapong aba be kasa na oche mu se chese eniema mu ayedin wo Ghana ha bibie ni wo ekoso ye dwuma sam chese agiegu bibie ni wo ekoso ohaw amani aho kire ne ekom enne wo oman ni mu na emomo se Ghana fo ye hya ye hoden ezan se enidaso wo ho se ye nkentene ye ho ewa ho kire brei mu ezan se enidaso wo ezan se aho kire brei mu na ma ye ni eba ye ho so ma yetimi ye mpuntu dwuma nti Ghana ni bia enka na koma ento ne yem ezan se enidaso kase pa ewo ho ede ma ye na emomo de chapa kase be kwa ma ye ma beni na nadodan kwa ekufuado ene na ban ezan se wo hwa wiase afa na nyina kamia kwa ese Ghana nkwani abanya de bia na yeso ye chense ye kwa manani akwa kopesika ye kwa manani akope aduane aba bedi se de bia Ghana man ene yo man ye lalasu lala de bia ye nsada ye yemu a ye sra de ansa ne yedi osesa ne oman enya de eboa ye wo se Ghana yetimi ede ye ho wo se yetimi gi ye ho every nkwaso mu na ye ya yetimi ehwa ye ho so ne ye jai se ye sra de ye nenam na ye so ye chense ne ye sra de no se wo se ye twa sokura afen so e was aban e de hihye pegu apono so ebetin amatimemufo ho ahenha o mo esanza wo hwa ya ade se ye pe ade ye krakra free amano na de ba oman yimu o se wo se ye twato kra na yetimi ebiebie nyuma companies ahodo na yetimi produce wo Ghana ha na yetimi de akwa amano ne akwa akoton ne no abo ama dollar no yetimi enya bi de aba Ghana ha ama yesidi no enya na ho odin ase ginemu Ose wose niama ye krefri amona ose adroso dodo wose ye si ho kwan wose ye jai si ye krakra niama wose ye bua ne yetimi produce niama ni bi wo Ghana ha ne ye de kwa amanone ekoton ne no yetimi ye ne sa ebetimi aboa ama Ghana afa ne ntuma po efra avenso ebetimi aboa ama yesidi no enya na ho ade sa de ese
I must speak the truth. Business is tough. Tough. But there's still hope.
Okay.
I think as government, we have to do certain things to build confidence of Ghanaians. That is so far what we are not doing.
Okay.
So I am pleading with governor to come out and tell us, this is Mr. American. Business is tough. The economy is tough. I must admit, say, but there is hope.
Okay.
And what we should bear in mind is situations like this, and the inventions.
Okay.
innovations. So, the way we've been doing business, anywhere we are today, it tells us to say, this is the time we have to be innovative and change our old style to a new.
Okay.
What do you say? In the sense that they say, you say, if we are see baby, dinner, or my piano, because obi ni enough or they bro, and the other into the little you have, and I will say, or rely on. Into that alone should teach us, say, look, baby, Edry, we cannot solely depend on foreigners or foreign governments or donations. We should be bold and change our policies and say, like Papa Ikani Esreno, domestication. Maybe say, I believe in a champion. What a champion did. Operation Feed Yourself. The way I see Emma, Nifa, Nanyan, would you say he was so practical and a man, Yomakoi. And he, Maka said, near Abbey, Ahuchira Abbey. We should learn something from it and change ABR. Send ye see a new man. What you say? To conform with development so that we don't become dependent on Abrofo for everything and donations, contributions from elsewhere for our survival. We should be able to put policies in place that Ebema Yanyankasa live as human beings Yankopon boy without relying on people. It's a situation we are in now. That is what we need to do. So, whilst we are lamenting, we should be creative and come out with solutions. If we have identified the problems, and I say I saw a list of items that you import into this country and how much it costs. It's huge. It's huge. What do I say? So let us address the importation of certain goods into this country. Import substitution. We build factories. For example, the 1D, 1F, not a perfect idea, but they be a approach, and implementing it. We have to be export-oriented so that our exports will exceed imports. When your exports exceed imports, in simple terms, just a would nyoma ko amanoni, enya sika chain, nyoma ukra free amanoni, adiba kuruma. Inti abasa, there'll be enough dollar na, womusu epes wumukrano, adiba kra. Inti abasa biema emma pressure, emma so because look, whatever we are doing in this country and everywhere in the world, take it from me, is speculation.
Okay.
Speculation. Speculation in the sense that I'm anticipating, say, the way I'm Mexico dollar, a bedroom 20 in December. So whatever money I have, Maminko Tobingo, Ebinsuana, Enka Enrusa, so Obia Timia, my assurance. So the assurance that I'm arriving at is the governor.
Na chasa wusha ne kasa mu a was a buying dish shepa egu na poso egu apono so bibi te say one district one FE o say yade anka betimi abu apa ama yesi kasa betimi agina yie ne sansa buying hu kwan ya obefa so ama yetimi egina ama yetimi di dwumenti na ama ye ho kire yensa it was say aban entimi hwe na sa one district one F na wo kan ho asem no ontimi emfa mra na mensini bie yetimi ebie factories ahodo wo say be ya eniama dodo na ye krefri amanone edeba wo man ni ye betimi ana ye produce wo man Ghana mu ni etimi dia akwa amanone akwa akoton na etimi aboa ma yesika sam na etimi agina yie ahoɔden na ewe yesi di ni mu adrop no ye betimi asanso gina ye na so brani biom enu nti aban wonhwe na wontoto sa nneoma no emfa ma yen se be ya temamufo ye ho ebetimi ehinham yen ebuso ha na brama kwan ma ye de kase bo no ebesi Glitter and Glow Skin Care se ebesiesie honamani amatija ebeto so ebeye no kama emfa ho sa wo ye kokwa na asa wo ye tuntum de hia ene sa wo de wo ho ebekwa akwokyere o mo besiesie kama ama wo honamani atoso atija jenne organic foods enso eye nuane papa abedwama nso a ebeboa mo apobodin echina ne nanso ene meremu Endi aduane bia kegesan so broni say you are what you eat. De kwa wo yam na ekire se wo benyina cha na se wo be yale. Eno nti bomodin se wo di aduane pa na timi aboa ama wapomodin ejina ne na so gina organic foods na mekanfo ma wo. Ebeboa ma wo ni wabusua mu begina mo na so brane. Afa so ti na teteba yedro papa ebeboa. Eya malaria 3D ebetu na se weni so na tai keka wo ebeyi ni nyina fri so. Say ya wo be ma na esi ni tra ebe pejemu chese ebe jina so brane oba wahimfie ho na nkabone white aje ne home wo ho a ebetu ni nyina se bomodin se wonsa be katina tete aba no ni bi netimi aye wo sa emmoa no edin ameje so aye da chehema ajowa nati aseda kese enko ma me producer ene me cameraman makram
Surprise! Congratulations, madam. I'm looking forward for a good business deal.
It's my pleasure.
Hey, and let you besi. Ain't you wanting to make on me?
Excuse me, madam. I am a business partner. Mami can be being show. Tina tet venikeno. So we use wa. A ho. Emma hoye kama. Emma hoye obey moi. Je na ko try she.
Thank you. Tinatet Fenicare.
Kinaata Fenicare is an oral tonic for maintaining vaginal hygiene, not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.